Oh my god, guys. Okay, I'm going to the bathroom. I just told my grandparents I'm going to the bathroom. I grabbed this suitcase full of squishies that we're gonna open. If I can't get across the house without them, bro, guys. If she exposed me right now. I'll cry. She can see me, she can't see the suitcase, and this is a blind spot. I already checked before I made the vid. Yeah, guys. I need the cat to go in there and make a distraction or something. I rehearsaled a couple times for this. I practiced about 2 times so they didn't actually hear me or notice me. Oh, crap. Just can't get a look at this suitcase. I tested it can hide behind all these spots. Zoom in, guys. Oh, she is not looking. Yeah, guys. So no, swear to God, do this. We just need to get into the living room. I'm gonna make a distraction. Hello, neighbor. Oh my God, guys. Guys, I just got it. I'm hiding behind this big thing. It's like a thing, and I'm literally laying down right here. And they're right there. And the other ones right there. I don't want to be cooked. Let's open these bag of squishies. Right there, guys. That's why I put the pillow for the check mark. Also, shit. Oh my God, jeez. Hello, neighbor. Alright, I just said they didn't look at me, but they didn't see us. There's one sleeping right now. So we have that advantage. Okay, let's go. One sleeping. Oh my God. Literally, it's scooching here. Okay, guys. We have got this below. We've touched it. Woohoo! Yeah! Bye, guys. They just see like my cousin. I'm joking. Yeah, I have to delete that from my phone. Alright, guys, I'll show you. Peace. Oh my God.